Today we will go through 10 MR question. It's TTC 25, question 11 to 20. For the first question here, this question is asking what quadrilateral shape is used the most, and what is different between that shape and the least used quadrilateral. So we just, for this question, we need to count each shapes and compare. So for Liam sketch, we have 3 rectangles, 2 square, a trapezium, and 1 rhombus. For Maya's sketch, we have 1 parallelogram, 3 trapezium, and 4 squares. So we have the total count up. For rectangle is 3, square is 6, trapezium is 11, 1 for rhombus, and also 1 for parallelogram. So you can see that the trapezium is the most used shape. Compared with the least used shapes are rhombus and parallelogram. So difference is 11 minus 1 is 10. So the correct answer is option E. The category is MT6 3001 geometric operations 3D to 2D shapes. For the next question, move to the next question. In this question, we need to find the number of small packets of wheat we have in total. First, we convert 7.5 kilogram into 7,500 gram. Also, we divide this number into 5 bags. So we have 1,500 grams in each bag because they divided equally. Also, then we remove 250 grams spilled from each bag. So each bag now will have 1,250 grams each. And we will divide this into 5 packets, each hold 250 grams. So it means that one packet hold 250 grams. We have 5 full packets can be made from one bag, and we have 5 bags, so it's 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 bags. So the correct answer is A, 25. The combined category is MT1601, number, knowledge, mass. Moving to the next question. This question is asking how many leg sections this Liam is for. To solve this question, first we let's F be the number of forest sections, L be the lake sections, and M be the mountain sections. From the given information, we know that the total number of sections is 12. So we have the first equation is F plus L plus M equal 12. Also, we have the total number of crystals for all these sections is 44. In each forest section gives 5 crystals, lake section gives 3 crystals, and each mountain section gives 1 crystal. So we will have the second equation is 5F plus 3L plus M equal 44. The number of lake sections, there are twice the number of lake sections is a forest section. So we have L equal to F So we replace L with 2F in the first equation. We have F plus 2F plus M equal 12. And so we will have M equal 12 minus 3F. Now we replace L and M in the second equation. We will have 5F plus 3. We will replace L with 2F. So 3 multiply with 2F plus 1M. So 12 minus 3F equal 44. So after solving all this equation, we will have F equal 4. So it is the so in the forest section, so the lake section is twice number of forest section. So lake section would be A. The correct answer is option C. And the common category is MT3101, a zebra determined in unknown. So move to the next question. This question we need to find the minimum number of panels needed to cover the station surface entirely. So we have one panel here, so we need to use to find the area of one panel, which is A multiply 5 is 40 square meter. We have that two panel cannot be fully used and only half of each count toward total coverage. This means that we need to remove one full panel from the total. So we will, from total area, we remove 40 square meter. We will have 1,160 square meter left. And we divide for the area of one panel, we will have 29 panels. So we will need to we will need two more partially usable panels each. So the number of panels needed is 29 plus 2 is 31. The correct answer is option C. The common category is MT1503, geometric operations area. So we move to the next question. So we need to find the number of Ronald get based on the pattern given here. So we let the starting number be x. So that would be the first number. So the second number would be 2x plus 1 because each number would be multiplied by 2 and then added 1 and repeat this process. So that the third number would be 2 multiply 2x plus 1 plus 1. We would have 4x plus 3. And the fourth number would be 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3 plus 1 equal 8x plus 7. So we will have 4 number and their sum would be 251. So we have this equation here, x plus 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 3 plus 8x plus 7 and 50x plus 11. And we know that it is equal to 250. So solving this problem, we will have x. So we have the second number is we have the first number is 16. So second number would be 16 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 33. And reverse this number, we still have 33. So correct answer is option B. The combined category is MT3101, algebra determining unknowns. So we move to the next question. This question is the Venn diagram. So this question is asking if 1/3 of the people in the difference between the people who prefer exactly one flavor and the people who prefer exactly two flavor. So that but yeah, how many number the people in exactly three flavors increase. So first we need to read the diagram. So first we need to find the number of people who prefer exactly one flavor. We have 18 for pistachio, 20 for vanilla, 15 for strawberry, and 26 for chocolate. So with a total of 79 people who prefer exactly one flavor. Next, we find the total number of people who prefer exactly two flavors. So there are 22 people. The difference between these two number is 79 minus 22 is 57. So 1/3 of this different number bought exactly three flavors in the next hour. So 57 divided by 3 would be 19. So we only have exactly one person buy three flavor in the past current hour. So the difference would be 19 minus 1 is 18. Correct answer is option C. The company category is MT7107, data interpretation Venn diagrams. So to question 17. So we need to find the height of the tree according to Alex. We need to find this number based on the given information. So we let Alex height be h centimeter. So Alex tree measurement is twice his height, so that would be to h. Charlie's tree measurement would be h minus 20, and Bella's tree measurement would be h minus 20 plus 6, which is h minus 14. So we have the total sum of the tree height measurement is 360. So we have this equation to h plus h minus 14 plus h minus 20 equal 360. So we're solving this problem to find h, which is Alex height. So we have h equal 98.5 centimeter. We have that Alex tree measurement is twice his height. So we have 98.5 multiplied by 2 would be 197 centimeter. So the correct answer is option B. Company category is MT3101, algebra determining unknowns. So we move to the next question. This question we need to find the correct cloth when it unfolded, and we cut the portion is shown. So first we can solve this problem first by marking each square, row, and column. So after the first fold, we can see that the column 1 is overlap with column 4, and column 2 overlap with column 3. After the second fold, we see that row C is overlapped with row D. So after cutting the patch is Sean, we have to remove A, uh, A2 and A3, B1 and B4, C5 and B5, and among these options, only option B match with this explanation. So the correct answer is option B. The common category is empty set for one shape problem, 2D shapes. So we move to the next question. So in this question, we need to find which combination of creatures can be safely transported together on the planet Xenon. So safely transported means it should weigh between 140 kilogram and 200 kilogram inclusive. First, we need to find the weight of each creature on the planet Xenon. Yeah, we know that they should be 20% heavier. So on the Joplin, we would have 60 kilogram. The Plutopod would be 78 kilogram, and Nebulon would be 66 kilogram. So so now we only need to test each option. Option A, it is below the safe number. Option B, also below the safe number. Option C, we have 144 kilogram, which is fit between the safe number. Option D is above the safe kilogram weight. So the correct answer would be option C. The common category is MT21707, arithmetic operation, fractions, percentages. So to the last question. So we need to determine which statements are correct. So we check read the graph. We will have the number for each planet. For Astrophagon would be 05 is 5, Lunaria is 8, orbit is 10, Nebulon is 7, and Solara is 12. So for Cosmohawk, Zephora is 7, Lunaria is 6, orbit is 12, Nebulon is 9, and Solara is 10. So the first statement say that Astrofagons launch fewer rockets than Cosmohawk on Lunaria. So see that this question is false because look, as Astrophagon is on Lunaria is 8, while Cosmohawk is 6, so it's not fewer. But we need to check the second statement. Also, the second statement says that Cosmohawk launch more rockets per planet than Astrophagons. Means that we need to find the average number of rockets launched. So we have Astrophagons average 8.4, and Cosmohawk average would be 8.8. So this statement is true. The third statement, the third statement say that the number of rockets launched by Astrophagon on Zephora is less than half of their total launches. Over on planets, half of Astrophagon total is 42 divided by 2 is 21. On Zephora, Astro launch 5, so it is less than half, so this statement is also true. Statement 4 says that the ratio of rockets launched by Astrophagon to Cosmohawk on Solari is 5-6, but should be 12-10. multiplied by 6 5, not 5 6. So this statement is also false. The statement 5 say that both teams have more successful launches on orbit than Zephora. So they have on orbit they have Astro 10 and Cosmo 12. On Zephora they have Astro have 5 and Cosmo 7. So they are both more successful on orbit than on Zephora. So this statement is true. The correct statements are 2, 3, and 5. So the correct answer is option D. The company category is MT7101 data interpretation column graphs. So that is all 10 questions. If you have any question, so there's no questions. So we end this presentation here. Thank you for listening.